Hey guys, Krissy here with the Windswept Cowboy, and today I'm going to be bringing you guys along while I do my daily to-do list. Today is Monday, and it's actually a pretty heavy social media day for me here, like posting on Instagram and stories. I also have a Facebook Live that you're going to be able to be a part of, and then I also have a list of actual dishes and sweeping and vacuuming and all the household chores that we all have to take care of on a daily basis. So I'm going to bring you along and let's tackle our to-do list together. Shelby made me these awesome printables that I use that organize my life so much. And if you guys would like to use them, I will have a link down in the description box below that takes you to our blog where you can download them for free and use them. And I love them. I have a daily to-do list, and then I also have a weekly meals with a grocery list, and then also a monthly meal plan. So let's get tackling this to-do list. The first thing I think I want to get done is my Instagram stories, because I do want to talk about my YouTube channel on here and promote that a little bit, because I don't think a lot of people realize that we have these great videos that Shelby helps me produce. So let's do it. Now that that is done, I have some dishes that I need to clean up and take care of before we go live. Alright guys, real life moment here. Your children may grow up and move out, but they're never too old to come home and make a mess. Shelby is here.
Yeah, she's calling me out right now.
She made herself some lunch, and look what happened to my microwave.
You're welcome.
So guess what we're adding to the to-do list? So now it is time to fill out my weekly grocery list so I can order it and pick up tomorrow from Walmart. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have used the Walmart pickup. Isn't it like the best? So how I do this is I have a main monthly plan with just like the main meals. Then I will take those and I will transfer them to my weekly meals, and then I will add in my sides and anything else that I want to add to the meal. And then that's how I come up with my grocery list. Okay, I have my list complete. I do have a lot of stuff on hand, so I only need these things. So I'm going to pop onto walmart.com and fill out my grocery list.
She's driving, so I'm manning the camera right now. We are on our way to do Walmart pickup, and we're almost to Walmart, but I just wanted to pop in here because we had talked about it and her making the order, and now I'm going to show you what it's like picking it up. She already checked in on her phone and we totally forgot and missed that part, but super easy. If you have the app, you just go on your app and it'll prompt you to check in, and yeah, we're gonna go pull up to our spot and get some food. All right, now what are we doing?
I just go back onto my Walmart app right there. It knows that I've arrived, so I just hit what spot I'm in. Oops. And what color car I'm in, and they bring it out to me.
Yay! All right, I'm not gonna show them bringing it out because I think that's creepy to record other people without their permission, but that's how easy it was.
All right, I'm gonna grab some supplies for my Facebook Live now. I do have to go out to the garage and find a scrap piece of wood that I'm gonna use. But let me grab a few things out of here first. I'm gonna need some scrapbook paper and probably that.
Would you like some help?
Some Mod
Podge.
And paintbrush and I don't know, we may come back.
Okay. Okay. Scrap wood for
Yes.
these.
So I am working, we good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking about making a sign with these letters that I found at Walmart. So I need to find like a scrap piece of wood that might work, that I can use. I think this one's a little too small. I mean,
It'll be cozy.
Yeah, it's definitely cozy. I don't know. Let's see. I have a few here.
That's
Here we
different.
go.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think that's gonna work for me.
All right. Well, I guess you'll have to go watch our live, guys, to see what we ended up doing, right?
Yes, go check us out on Facebook.
Wait a minute, feeling kinda lonely, I could use a little something. Room is spinning, wait, I'm living. Feeling kinda lonely, I could use a little something. Don't give me up, I seen the light. I see the reason in the night. And every time I close my eyes, guess I just need you by my side. Yeah, my heart gets cold, I need you when the lights go low. And my heart gets cold, I need you more than you know. After all the time that's passed, is it wrong to say I want you back? Yeah, my heart gets cold, I need you when the lights go low. No love wasted, if you take it, if you feel it, it'll.
All right, so we just finished up our Facebook Live, and I always make a disaster. So I'm gonna sweep this up really quick and then grab the vacuum and vacuum my living room too.
Seen the light. I see the reason in the night. And every time I close my eyes, guess I just need you by my side. Yeah, my heart gets cold, I need you when the lights go low. And my heart gets cold, I need you more than you know. After all the time that's passed, is it wrong to say I want you back? Yeah, my heart gets cold, I need you when the lights go low.
Thank you all so much for helping me tackle my to-do list today. And if you would like your very own printables, be sure to check out the blog so you can get your own freebies. And also, I hope this motivated you to do your own to-do list. It doesn't have to be long and it doesn't have to have a lot of things on it, but just something to get it done. If you love these kind of videos, be sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you're new, I would love it if you would subscribe and become part of the Windswept Cowboy family.
Windswept Cowboy family. That was like a different person said each word.
Oh
And become
God.
part of the... Say that part again.
If you're new here, I hope that you would consider subscribing and be part.
Why can't we say...
Have to get notified for all of this.
Yes, don't miss any of that. Yeah.
You want to be part of this. If you are new here, I hope you would consider subscribing to become part of the Windswept Cowboy family. We would love to have you here. Be sure to hit that notification bell so you know when the next video is coming out. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one.